Okay, so our first equation, I see 5d equals 45. It's not plus, it's not minus, it looks like this. So to undo multiplication, I'm dividing. So I'm just going to draw the division bar like this, and I'm dividing by the 5 because that's what's attached to my variable. So now I need to figure out what is 45 divided by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That is 9. So I put my answer in the box. Practice problem 2. I see subtraction. This says y minus. So no, it's this one. How do I get rid of subtraction? I add. So I'm going to add 24, and I'm going to add 24. Now I remember the signs are different, so I actually have to subtract. 14 minus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. Bring down the 1 and copy the sign of the larger one, which is positive. So my answer is y equals 15. So just bring that down. And that's it for 1 and 2. Try 3, 4, and 5, and then watch the next video to check your answers.